Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now by confirming the pan is dry and lightly seasoned. This prevents sticking and flare-ups. Place the cast iron on medium heat and let it warm for 5 to 7 minutes so the entire surface reaches an even temperature. Once the pan feels uniformly warm, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of a high smoke point oil. This creates a protective cooking layer. Make sure to tilt and coat edges so heat and seasoning spread evenly across the cooking surface. You now add the food when the oil just shimmers. That immediate sizzle seals juices and forms a crust, which is why timing matters. Once items hit the surface, resist moving them. Use tongs to flip only after a good sear forms. If pieces brown too fast, lower the heat slightly. Control maintains even cooking without degrading seasoning. Once done, lift items gently and reduce heat. Keeping a steady sizzle rather than harsh smoke preserves both flavor and the pan's seasoning. You finish by letting the pan cool a bit, then wipe excess oil and bits with a paper towel. This keeps the seasoning intact. Clean with hot water and a gentle brush. Avoid soap unless necessary. Then dry immediately and apply a thin coat of oil to protect the surface. If food sticks, reheat the pan, add oil, and use a spatula to release. If the finish looks dull or sticky, reheat and rub with oil to reseason. This simple troubleshooting restores non-stick performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.